Okay, now we're going to learn the calculator keystrokes to convert numbers from standard form to scientific notation form. So say you have a number, a very small number that looks like this, 0.000000976. If we want to convert it to scientific notation, depress, remember this is with a T1 30 X Roman numeral 2 calculator. These are the keystrokes for that, but it'll be similar with another scientific calculator. So you type in the number, you hit the second button, then the DRG button, and then there are three options. You arrow over one time until it says SCI, short for scientific notation, and hit enter. And then when you do that, so let me type that in right now. So we've got 0.123, whoops. My calculator has to be on first. 0.12345 zeros, 976. Second button, DRG, arrow over to scientific notation, enter. And you end up with 9.76 times 10 to the, and what type of exponent? See how this is a number that is a fractional number? The exponent will be negative. So if you would have started off with a number that looks like this, just type that into the calculator. And you can go ahead and read what that number is, but if you need it to be written in scientific notation, you do the same thing. You type it in, hit second, DRG, arrow over till it says scientific notation, hit enter, and you may have to enter twice. So second, the DRG button, arrow over, scientific notation, and I think you have to enter twice. And when you do that, you get 9.76 times 10. Notice this is now a positive exponent because this is a number larger than 1. This is a number less than 1, so it will have a negative exponent. This is a number larger than 1, so it has a positive exponent. All right, now operations. If you want to type this in exactly like this, so left parentheses, I'll do it while I read it. Left parentheses 4.96 times 10, then use the caret button. 6, oops, I have to use the caret button. 10 to the 6. Close the parentheses, open another parentheses, 7.47 times 10, the caret button, -2. Close that parentheses. Now, hit the second, DRG, arrow over till it says scientific notation, enter, enter. So second, DRG, scientific notation, enter, enter, and we get, so these two things right here multiplied equal 3.705, and it's going to keep, it gives a couple more numbers. Rounding it off there is just fine, times 10 to the 5th. Okay, now if you want to convert back to standard, you'll know that your calculator is in scientific note. If you look up at the screen, somewhere on the screen in little handwriting will be SCI, meaning that's the form that it is in. So if it's already in that form, you type in 4.92 times 10 caret 5, and then hit second DRG and arrow back to where it says FLO, hit enter, enter. And you get 492,000. All right, that's it for converting using The calculator keystrokes to convert from scientific notation to standard and back.